In today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 easiest automations you can set up using make.com. Open your browser and search for make.com. Once you find it, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, make.com offers a free trial, so you can explore the features before deciding to upgrade. 3. Wait for a moment as the platform loads. You'll then see the make.com interface. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, and you'll get the hang of it quickly. 4. From the interface, you can create new scenarios by connecting and automating apps. However, for this tutorial, we'll use pre-existing templates. Using templates is a great way to get started since they're already configured to automate specific tasks. Step 2. Automation 1. Navigate to the templates section and search for auto-reply to new comments on Instagram. Click on the template and select Create a new scenario from template. This will open the template in the scenario editor where we'll set up the connections. 3. Wait for the interface to load, then follow these steps. Create a webhook. Click on it and establish a connection. Tap the Save button. A webhook is essentially a way for make.com to listen for events from external services like Instagram. In this case, the webhook will listen for new comments on your posts, redirect to Facebook, log in using your Facebook credentials, set up everything as required, and return to make.com. Since Instagram is owned by Facebook, make.com will need to authenticate with Facebook to access your Instagram account. 4. For the second module in the automation, do the following. Create a reply by clicking the Add button. Here, you can set up the response that will automatically be posted as a reply to new comments. Save the setup. Again, you'll be redirected to Facebook. Log in with your credentials, click OK, and finalize the setup. That's it. You've successfully set up an auto-reply system for Instagram comments. Step 3. Automation 2. Save Gmail to Google Sheets. Head to the Templates section and search for Save Gmail to Google Sheets. This automation is perfect if you want to organize your emails into a structured format for easy tracking or analysis. 2. Click on the template and select Create a new scenario from template. Once you select the template, make.com will create a new automation that's tailored to save your emails to a Google Sheet. 3. Wait for the UI to load. It may take a moment. Then, connect Gmail, click on Gmail, create a connection, and log in using your Gmail credentials. Make sure to grant make.com permission to access your Gmail account so it can fetch the emails you want. Connect Google Sheets. Similarly, create a connection, sign in with your Google account, and authenticate it. If you don't have a sheet ready, you can create one directly in Google Sheets, and make.com will automatically populate it. Step 4. Automation 3. Generate GPT completions from Google Sheets. Click on the template and choose Create a new scenario from template. This will bring you to the scenario editor where you'll configure the automation. 3. Follow these steps to set it up. Integrate Google Sheets. Log in with your Google account and authenticate the connection. Ensure that the correct Google Sheet is selected, the one that contains the rows you want to process. Add OpenAI. Log in with your OpenAI API key. You can find it in your OpenAI settings. OpenAI's GPT will generate content based on the data in your Google Sheets. Ensure you configure the paste completion feature. This updates the row in your Google Sheet with GPT-generated content. You can specify where the generated text should appear, whether in the same row or a new column. 4. Run the automation once to test it. If anything is missing, you'll receive a warning. Testing the automation will ensure that everything is working smoothly before you let it run automatically. Make.com is a versatile platform where you can either create custom automations or use pre-designed templates to save time and effort. These 3 automations are just the tip of the iceberg. You can explore much more, from syncing your calendar with task management apps to automating your social media posts. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like. If not, feel free to dislike. And as always, if you have any questions or need further help, drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to assist. Thanks for watching and have a great day.